Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best magnifying light is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone who frequently engages in intricate tasks, from detailed crafting and electronics repair to reading fine print or performing delicate beauty procedures, offering enhanced visibility and reducing eye strain, making precision work significantly easier and more enjoyable for hobbyists, professionals, and those with vision challenges alike. Number 5. Elikliv EDM 4.3-inch Digital Coin Microscope. Experience stunning clarity with its 4.3-inch crisp display. This device delivers 720p HD digital imaging, showing real-time clear images and quality videos. Its large screen also enhances ergonomics, eliminating eye and neck strain. Zoom in and explore incredible details with its powerful magnification capabilities. It allows you to see the intricate world beyond the naked eye. The actual magnification will adapt based on your screen size and object distance. Connect it effortlessly to your Windows or MacBook for an even larger viewing experience. This feature lets you share live images with multiple viewers. You can also easily save and organize your images or videos for better analysis. It features 8 adjustable LED lights that provide optimal illumination. These lights ensure clear and detailed observations, even in low light conditions. They significantly improve overall image quality. Its height-adjustable stand allows you to set the perfect camera-to-object distance for varying magnification needs. This provides extra flexibility and comfort, helping you achieve precise focus for clearer images. Equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. This ensures portability and extended operation, making it perfect for both indoor projects and outdoor explorations. This versatile tool is suitable for circuit board inspection, coins, jewelry, and stamps, as well as watch repair and skin detection. It's also a great gift for kids' STEM education and various industrial inspections. What we like. This microscope offers a crisp 4.3-inch HD display and powerful 1000x magnification, making details incredibly clear. If you are looking for a versatile tool for detailed inspections like circuit boards or coins, or if you want to share live views on a larger PC screen, this is an excellent choice. Its built-in rechargeable battery also makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. What people say. Number 4. MIYADIVA 20x Magnifying Makeup Mirror. This versatile mirror offers both 1x for daily use and a powerful 20x magnification. It's perfect for detailed tasks like applying lashes or removing blackheads, making it ideal for all ages, including seniors. It features 3 distinct light colors and adjustable brightness. A simple touch allows you to change colors or dim the light, ensuring perfect illumination for any setting or makeup need. Equipped with 80 long-lasting LED lights, it provides exceptional brightness. Its 2000 mAh rechargeable battery offers extended cordless use, charging fully in just 2 hours. Its clever design includes a 360 degrees rotating panel for easy switching between magnifications. The base also functions as a storage tray and a sturdy phone holder, perfect for following tutorials. For the clearest view with its 20x magnification, keep your face within 5 inches. Experiment to find your ideal viewing distance for the best results. This elegant and practical mirror from MIYADIVA makes an exceptional gift for any occasion. Show you care with this thoughtful and useful present. What we like. This mirror features a unique dual-sided design with 1x and 20x magnification, ideal for both daily use and intricate tasks. If you need precise magnification for delicate operations like eyelash application or blackhead removal, this mirror is highly suitable. Its 3-color lighting and integrated phone holder also make it a versatile addition to any vanity. What people say. Number 3. HITTI 10x Magnifying Glass with Light. Experience unparalleled clarity with its genuine 8-diopter glass lens. This ensures a distortion-free view, perfect for intricate details without eye strain. It's also scratch-resistant and built to last. Its multi-angle adjustable swing arm allows you to precisely direct the light and magnification exactly where you need it. With multiple knobs and spring designs, you get ultimate flexibility for any task. This versatile tool comes with an upgraded, sturdy base for stable desk use. For added flexibility, it also includes a robust metal clamp, allowing you to secure it firmly to any table or workbench. It frees your hands for focused work. Tailor your lighting with 3 distinct color modes: cold, natural, and warm light. Each mode offers stepless dimming from 10% to 100%, providing the perfect illumination for any activity, from reading to crafting. Professionally designed with a ring light, it eliminates strobe, ghosting, and shadows, ensuring a comfortable and productive experience. Its uniform light prevents blue light damage, offering ample brightness while consuming less energy. Whether you're soldering, sewing, doing nail art, or working on intricate crafts, this device is your ideal companion. It provides the magnification and light needed for precision in all your close-up tasks. As a trusted brand, our products undergo strict quality inspection. We offer a 3-month unconditional exchange or return policy and a 3-year after-sales service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This lamp boasts a genuine 10x real glass lens, providing distortion-free magnification for close work. If you are looking for a stable and versatile magnifying light for crafts, soldering, or detailed hobbies, its heavy-duty 2-in-1 base and clamp offer excellent flexibility. The 3 adjustable color modes and dimmable brightness ensure optimal lighting without eye strain. What people say. Number 2. KIRKAS 10x LED Magnifying Lamp with Clamp. Experience powerful illumination with this lamp's advanced LED technology. It delivers 2,200 lumens of cool white light, bright enough to light up an entire dark room. This ensures you always have the perfect visibility for your tasks. Equipped with a 4-inch, 10x real optical glass lens, it provides crystal clear, distortion-free magnification. This makes it ideal for intricate work and for those with vision challenges, allowing you to enjoy hobbies with ease. Adjust the brightness precisely with its intuitive rotary switch, located conveniently on the light head. It offers super bright, dimmable lighting without glare or eye fatigue, perfect for reading, crafts, and detailed work. Its upgraded, stable arm adjusts effortlessly to any desired position, preventing unwanted movement. The robust clamp, with its thumb screw, ensures it stays firmly in place, while a lens cover protects the glass from dust. This lamp is a perfect companion for a wide range of activities, from drawing and reading to intricate repairs and professional tasks. It's designed to enhance your focus and precision in any setting. Crafted by a professional manufacturer, it's an indispensable tool for dentists, beauticians, jewelers, and dermatologists. Its creative design and powerful features are tailored to meet diverse professional needs. What we like. This lamp stands out with its super bright 2,200 lumens LED light and a high-quality optical glass lens for clear, distortion-free viewing. If you need exceptional brightness to illuminate an entire dark room for reading or intricate crafts, this is a top contender. Its stable, easily adjustable arm and stepless dimming technology provide comfortable and precise positioning for any task. What people say. Number 1. MIYADIVA Lighted Makeup Mirror. Discover the ultimate beauty companion. It's designed for women who demand precision and convenience in their daily routine. Achieve perfection with its powerful 30x magnification. One side offers extreme detail for intricate tasks, while the other provides a standard view. Remember to keep your face within 4 inches for a clear image on the magnified side. Illuminate your beauty with its 56 bright LEDs and 3 color light modes. You can easily switch between cool white, natural daylight, or warm light and adjust the brightness. This ensures your makeup looks perfect in any setting. Enjoy long-lasting illumination thanks to its 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery. It fully charges in just 2 hours via USB-C, making it incredibly convenient. You can power it up from your laptop, power bank, or even in your car. Its compact, foldable design makes it perfect for travel. It easily fits into any bag, and its adjustable stand allows for handheld, tabletop, or hanging use. Take it with you wherever you go, from hotels to camping trips. Looking for a thoughtful present? It makes an ideal gift for women of all ages, from mothers to daughters, and makeup enthusiasts to frequent travelers. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. What we like. This mirror offers an impressive 30x extreme magnification, perfect for the most precise makeup application and detailed skincare. If you require ultrafine detail for tasks like tweezing or contact lens insertion, this mirror provides unparalleled clarity. Its portable, foldable design and USB-C rechargeable battery make it an ideal companion for beauty on the go. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.